Hello everyone. Hello again. I'm Jackie. The topic shared today is what a router can do. When we are learning network technology, the most commonly used word is router. So, what is a router? In order to connect the network, if you want to use broadband at home, you need to buy a small router. Why buy a small router? Because we need to forward data. How to forward it? In fact, there is a map inside the router. The role of the map is after the data arrive at the device, create the map and send the data. This map's name is routing table. Routing table is a technology that network engineers need to learn. Take a lot of time. The second point is when we surf the internet at home. For example, when you install a broadband, your mom and dad can use this broadband with you. We don't need to run three broadband. The role of the router at this time is to share the internet. We call this technology is NAT. Common routers only these two functions. If in business, these two functions are also the most important. So let's not think about routers too complicated. It's a little box that relays data shared over the internet. That's all. If you have more questions, private message me and subscribe my channel. See you next time.